In this video, we'll show you how to set Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Right now, when I search something in Microsoft Edge, it uses Bing by default. However, if you want to switch to Google so your searches show Google results instead, the process is quite simple. To begin, open Microsoft Edge and go to the top right corner. Click on the three dots to open the menu, then scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left sidebar and choose Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Address Bar and Search under the Services section. Click on it. Now, in the Search Engines Used in Address Bar section, change the search engine from Bing to Google. You can also choose between using the address bar or the search box. After making this change, when you search for something, like typing "hi," the results will now appear on Google instead of Bing. That's it. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.